It is not about starving. I think that's the biggest misconception. She actually makes you eat more than you probably are eating. It's not only the food that you eat, but also drinking enough water, sleeping enough, working out.
Bollywood की super fit and athletic Deepika Padukone has been a busy girl all week long, promoting health and fitness.
If you work in an office, instead of taking the lift, just use the staircase. You can go into the gym for half an hour and do a really effective workout.
इस हफ्ते दीपिका को देखा गया एक नहीं बल्कि दो फिटनेस इवेंट्स पर। एक तो अपनी डाइटिशियन पूजा मखीजा की बुक ईट डिलीट के लॉन्च पर और दूसरा एक हेल्थ बेस्ड मैगजीन की अनवीलिंग पर, जिसके लिए दीपिका ने किया है कवर शूट भी। बट मोर ऑन द फोटो शूट लेटर। सबसे पहले देखते हैं ये बुक लॉन्च, जिसके लिए दीपिका केम ड्रेस्ड इन अ व्हाइट जंपसूट, लुकिंग हॉट एज यूजुअल। और इस इवेंट पर ना सिर्फ दीपिका लेकिन नील नितिन मुकेश, ईशा कोप्पिकर, तिस्का चोपड़ा और एकता कपूर भी मौजूद थे। Neil spotting a semi-formal avatar seemed smart. Tiska looked cute in a blue floral printed dress, and Ekta made a quick entry and then disappeared. यहाँ सभी ने दिया फूड, डाइट और एक्सरसाइज पर कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग ज्ञान।
As far as fitness regime is concerned, I work out like 4 times a week on weight training, cardio, and I try and take a day off.
Being a Punjabi, it's extremely difficult to stay fit and thin. So it has to be a combination of exercise and of the right kind of eating.
I don't believe in any starvation or crash diets because at the end of the day, it shows on your skin or your hair.
और जब डाइट्स की बात हो रही थी तो नील ने हमारे साथ शेयर किया एक इंटरेस्टिंग डाइट प्लान जो उन्होंने कई साल पहले फॉलो किया था।
Craziest diet that I have done so far was during New York actually, where I did this fish diet for 3.5 months. And I was only on steamed fish and boiled vegetables for 3.5 months.
3 months of only boiled fish? Ew. Anyways, getting back to Deepika. Deepika ने यहाँ बताया a little on her favorite fitness star जो है अक्षय कुमार।
Akshay Kumar, he is someone who is naturally, who's into fitness in the form that I personally believe in, because he's not someone who believes in going to a gym and working out and lifting weights. His form of workout, and I've seen his parkour gym in Juhu. It's very functional, and I think that kind of gives you the kind of body where you are muscular and toned, but at the same time not too big.
Moving on, इस इवेंट से पहले दीपिका मौजूद थी एक फिटनेस मैगजीन के लॉन्च पर। चेक इट आउट। और इस हेल्थ एंड फिटनेस मैगजीन के लिए दीपिका ने किया है एक स्पेशल फोटो शूट व्हिच गोज लाइक दिस। Well, so that was Deepika promoting fitness all week long.
Zing.